Today we're making a room spray. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today is really easy and really fast and pretty darn cool. Alright, so what are we doing? Well, I wanted just a room spray to freshen up the scent of my house, so I made my own. And it's really simple, but there are a couple ingredients that you really want to get, and I'm going to tell you why. The first one is use distilled water. If you use regular tap water, whatever minerals are in the tap water have a tendency to collect on things, and you can sort of get a sort of film on it, which is sort of weird, but yeah. So I use distilled water. You don't have to worry about anything. And then I also use witch hazel. Now, if you're wondering where you could get witch hazel, just click on the description below. It will take you to my affiliate link where you can buy witch hazel, or most stores carry witch hazel. And then the cool part, you can use whatever essential oils that you like. And how much should you use? Anywhere between 25 to 50 drops of essential oils. Why am I giving you such a huge variety of things? Well, because some essential oils are really strong. I have found that lime is almost overpowering of anything. Lime essential oil is just amazing. So if you want to cover up a scent, lime will do it. Other essential oils, you're going to have to use more. But then all you have to do is, I used half the container of distilled water and half the container of witch hazel. Once I did that, then I added my 25, only use 25 drops, but I did a mixture of the things, and the reason I only used 25 drops is, like I said, the lime is overpowering. I want to stress this. The lime is overpowering. Then I was ready to use it. Put the top on, and you have to shake it each time that you use it. Make sure to shake it really well. Then spray, and you have it. You have a nice scent which is not overpowering, and then it doesn't smell like you're being hit in the face with fake flowers. Yeah, I don't like that. But you can use whatever essential oils that you want, and you have a range between 25 and 50. And I've had no problems with this. It is so cool and so wonderful. I would love to know if you make this. If you do, you can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Don't forget to check out my Patreon, which really does help keep this channel going. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.